featuring the By Mabaleng skincare gadgets. So just a disclaimer guys, before we get started, I am not a dermatologist. I do not claim to be one, but these are some secrets and products that I have infused along with my gadgets to help take care of your skin and maintain that glow. So you can infuse your own trusted products with the skin gadgets, your choice. And yeah, let's make this a platform where we can engage and share what we know about skin. So first step of my get ready with me is that I usually just run the bath water. I love to take a bath at the end of the day just to let my day sink in and also use it as a time of reflection, you know. So I just put some bath salts and green tea flavored foam bath. I try to keep it a less strong foam bath. Step 1 of my face routine is that I use the Garnier face makeup remover and gently wipe away the makeup. I promise I'm gentle. It looks a bit rough, but I am really, really gentle with my face and eye area especially. Step 2 is that I cleanse my face using the By Mabaleng face cleanser, and yeah, I just put on the device and it vibrates and scrubs away all the gunk away from my face and all the makeup that is stuck in my pores sometimes. It's so relaxing. Then I rinse away and clean my brush. Then rinse my face with some water. Rinse it all out thoroughly, gently. Then I wipe away with a very clean towel. Usually I like cotton pads because they're much better. Then third step, I go in with my exfoliator. I like the tea tree one from the Body Shop, as I've been having a bit of spots. And then I cool my face with the aloe vera gel, which is from Korea. I bought this one from a Korean brand. It is so cooling. Distributed all around my face. I'm so generous with this product. It's very affordable and oh man, it feels amazing. I can't explain. You have to try it yourself. So I just keep it on for a bit, a split second, but sometimes you can sleep with it on as a night mask. It's very good for your skin and very good for dry, like it hydrates your skin. I've got a combination of dry and oily skin, so this works perfectly for those dry areas, especially in winter. Step 5, I tone with rose water, which is also good for spots if you're like me. If you have like some black spots or acne, actually, I don't have acne, but I do have spots, and random pimples sometimes invade my skin when I eat bad. Next, I go in with the face moisturizer. This one has basil seed and some good stuff. I actually forgot, but it's pretty good. It's for my type of skin, dry, but it's too thick, so I might opt for a different option at a later stage. Ooh, final step, honey. I discovered this amazing eye cream. It's Japanese and it's made from soybeans. It is so cheap. I'm not gonna say it's affordable because it's cheap, but it's so amazing. And you can actually put it on your lips as well. They have a range of amazing products. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and please like, subscribe, follow,